Welcome to CAMS Kalvi channel. In the video, 10th standard social civics third lesson state government. And the lesson book pack question video da in the video la paakaporom. Choose the correct answer. The governor of the state is appointed by the president. The speaker of a state is none of these. Which among the following is not one of the powers of the governor? Diplomatic. Who can nominate one representative of the Anglo-Indian community to the state legislative assembly? The governor. The governor does not appoint judges of the High Court. The State Council of Ministers is headed by the Chief Minister. The minimum age for the membership of the Legislative Council is 30 years. Which one of the following states does not possess a bicameral legislature? Tamil Nadu. The high courts in India were first started at Calcutta, Bombay, Madras. Which of the following states have common high court? Punjab and Haryana. Fill in the blanks. Governor of the state's government surrenders his resignation to the president. Members of the Legislative Assembly elected by the people. The governor acts as the chancellor of universities in the state. The chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission can be removed only by the president. Match the following. Governor, head of the state. Chief Minister, head of the government. Council of Ministers, responsible for assembly. MLC, cannot vote for grants. Armed forces, tribunals. Choose the correct statement. Assertion: these are limitations on the legislative authority of the state legislature. Reason: certain bills on the state list can be introduced in the state legislature only with the president's approval. Answer B. A is true but R is false. Answer the brief questions. What is the importance of the governor of state? He is the representative of President of India and central government in that state. All the bills passed by Legislative Assembly have to get the approval of governor. The governor can dissolve the house with the advice of Chief Minister. He can recommend to the president to impose president rule in the state. What are the qualifications for the appointment of governor? He should be a citizen of India. He must have completed 35 years of age. He should not be a member of parliament or any state legislature. If he is a member of any legislature, he automatically vacates his seat on assuming the office. He should not hold any other profitable occupation. What is the original jurisdiction of the High Court? Original jurisdiction. The High Courts of the Presidency towns Bombay, Calcutta and Madras have both original and appellate jurisdictions. Only in matters of admiralty, probate, matrimonial and contempt of court they have original jurisdiction. The Presidency High Court have original jurisdiction in which the amount involved is more than 2,000 and in criminal cases which are committed to them by the presidency magistrate. Why do you understand the appellate jurisdiction of the High Court? Appellate jurisdiction. As courts of appeal, all high courts entertain appeals in civil and criminal cases from their subordinate courts as well as on their own. They have, however, no jurisdiction over tribunals established under the laws relating to the armed forces of the country. Answer in detail. What are the powers and functions of the Chief Minister? Powers and functions of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is the real executive head of the state administration. He has the following powers and functions. Relating to the Council of Ministers. Relating to the Governor. Relating to the state legislature. Other functions and powers. Relating to the Council of Ministers. The Chief Minister recommends the persons who can be appointed as ministers by Governor. He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. He shuffles and reshuffles his ministry. He guides, directs, controls and coordinates the activities of all the ministers. Relating to the Governor. He advises the Governor in relation to the appointment of the following officials. Advocate General of the State, State Election Commissioner, Chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission, Chairman and members of the State Planning Commission, Chairman and members of the State Finance Commission. Relating to State Legislature. He announces the government policies on the floor of the House. He can introduce the bills in the Legislative Assembly. He can recommend for the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly to the Governor any time. Describe the legislative powers of the Governor. Legislative powers of the Governor. The Governor is an integral part of the state legislature, but he is not a member in either house of the legislature. In this capacity, he enjoys the following legislative powers and functions. He has the right to summon, prorogue the state legislature and dissolve the state legislative assembly. He can address the state legislature at the commencement of the first session after each general election and the first session of each year. He can send messages to the house of the state legislature relating to bill pending in the legislature. He can appoint any member of the legislative assembly to preside over its proceedings when the offices of both the speaker and the deputy speaker fall vacant. He can nominate one member to the state legislative assembly from the Anglo-Indian community. He nominates 1/6 of the members of the state legislative council from amongst the person having special knowledge or practical experience in literature, science, art, cooperative movement and social service. Every bill passed by the state legislature will become law only after his signature. He can promulgate ordinances when the state legislature is not in session under Article 213. He has to lay the annual reports of the State Finance Commission, the State Public Service Commission and the Comptroller and Auditor General relating to the accounts of the state before the state legislature. Critically examine the functions and powers of the Council of Ministers. The function and powers of the Council of Ministers. It formulates and decides the policies of the state and implements them effectively. It decides the legislative programs of the Legislative Assembly and the sponsors all important bills. It controls the financial policy and decides the tax structure for the public welfare of the state, makes the important appointment of the heads of departments. It discusses and takes efforts on the dispute with other states. It frames the proposal for incurring expenditure out of state reserves. It decides all the bills, whether ordinary bills or money bills, to be introduced in the Legislative Assembly. Each minister of the Council of Ministers supervises, controls and coordinates the department concerned. Annual financial statement called as the budget is finalized by the Council of Ministers. PTA questions and answers. 1 mark. The Legislative Council is a permanent house. M. Fatima BV is the first woman governor of Tamil Nadu. 2 mark. Write a note on the writ of mandamus. A writ of mandamus is issued to a subordinate court, an officer of government or a corporation or other institution commanding the performance of certain acts or duties. இதோட இந்த யூனிட் 3 புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் வீடியோ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் நெக்ஸ்ட் புக் பேக் பார்க்கலாம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.